The black stone is broken. Have you ever wondered how the black stone came to be in the silver casing surrounding it? Some say it was broken by a stone fired by the Umayyad army laying siege to Makkah whilst it was under the control of Abdullah ibn Zubair. However, most agree that it was most damaged in the Middle Ages by an extreme heretical Ismaili group from Bahrain called the Qarmatians, who had declared that the Hajj was an act of superstition. They decided to make their point by killing tens of thousands of hujjaj and dumping their bodies in the well of Zamzam, as if this act of treachery was not enough. These devils took the black stone to the east of Arabia and then Kufa in Iraq, where they held it ransom until they were forced to return it by the Abbasid Caliph. When they returned it, it was in pieces, and the only way to keep them together was by encasing them in a silver casing. Some historians narrate that some missing pieces of the stone are still floating around. During the Hajj of 930 C, the Shia Qarmatians attacked Mecca under Abu Tahir al-Janabi, defiled the Zamzam well with the bodies of pilgrims and stole the black stone, taking it to the oasis in eastern Arabia known as Al-Asa NC, where it remained until the Abbasids ransomed it in 952 C. The basic shape and structure of the Kaaba have not changed since then.